It's Nick, and we're making sheet pan pork chops and pears. First, we make a glaze by combining half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of vegetable oil, a quarter cup of rice vinegar, half a cup of brown sugar, then a teaspoon each of Chinese 5-spice seasoning and garlic powder. Whisk everything together and set aside. Put 4 half-inch thick pork chops on a sheet pan and brush them with the glaze. You need to use the half-inch ones here so they bake through. Once you're done, add 2 sliced up pears around them and brush those as well. If you don't have pears, you can use nectarines or apricots. Bake them in an oven preheated to 425 degrees for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, remove, flip everything over, and then repeat by brushing with the glaze again on all sides. Go ahead and put them back in the oven for another 8 minutes until the pork chops are 145 degrees and tender. Go ahead and serve this dinner with rice and then green onions on top for some freshness. I really like that extra flavor. You can also top with more soy sauce or your favorite Asian hot sauce. Enjoy!